In today's video, we're going to talk about the drop in existing home sales. Also, why builders' confidence is on the rise and the volatility of our interest rates. This is your Monday, May 21st weekly watch. This is where we discuss what's happening in the real estate space over the last week and what we should expect in the week ahead. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Let's get right into it. Number one, spring has not sprung, mainly because new listings have failed to bloom. See how I did that? Spring and sprung and bloom. Anyway, existing home sales nationally have dropped for the second straight month, but the speed of sales and the level of competition resulting in multiple offers keeps rising. And that's why home prices are moving higher in most markets. And in Vero Beach, our last 2 months of sales were the best since June of 2022. And yes, if you're watching the news, you would see headlines that read, existing home sales in April dropped 3.4% month over month. That's the second straight month of declines. But demand isn't the problem. Inventory is. We need more homes for sale. Nationally, it's 73% of the homes that sold in April were under contract in less than a month. And just for your information, our average day on market hovers around 60 days. And last week, we had 73 homes go under contract, and 17 of those, roughly a quarter, were on the market for 2 weeks or less. Number two, builders are on the verge of bullishness. The National Association of Builders Confidence Index jumped from 45 to 50 in May. So they're almost into the bullish territory. And that's the fifth straight month-over-month increase. The last time we were at 50 was back in July of 2022. And here's what the National Home Builders Association chief economist Robert Dietz had to say. He said, a lack of existing inventory continues to drive buyers' new construction. In March, 33% of homes listed for sale were new homes in various stages of construction. Pre-pandemic, that number sat around 12%, which means we are almost 3 times higher than our typical average. With limited available housing inventory, new construction will continue to be a significant part of prospective buyers' search in the quarters ahead. So, as builders get more confident, they offer fewer discounts and other incentives. The share of builders reducing home prices dropped from 36% in November to just 27% in May. And similarly, the share of builders offering some sort of incentive has also declined. And check out my Man on the Street videos to see what new communities are being built in and around Vero Beach. 2 of the 3 subcomponents of this index, present sales and sales for the next 6 months, are now firmly in the bullish territory. The only component weighing down the overall index was the prospective buyer traffic, which is still on the rise, but has remained volatile due to interest rates, which bring us to our topic number 3, interest rates. The Consumer Price Index, referred to as CPI, is half of what it was last summer, and the economy is clearly slowing in many areas. But average 30-year mortgage rates are refusing to stay below 6.5%. Last week was incredibly volatile in the bond market, with debt ceiling concerns and hawkish commentary from a few Fed members leading mortgage bond prices lower and mortgage rates higher. Last Friday, rates dropped around 6.9%, and we'll be watching these rates this week and in the coming weeks as we wait for the Fed to meet, which will take place on June 13th and 14th. If you have questions about what's happening in Vero Beach in our real estate market, go to the first link in the description and book a call with me at a time that works best for you. Until next week, I'm Tripp Hernandez with Dale Sorensen Real Estate in Vero Beach, Florida. Thanks for watching and have a great week.